Today here at Panorama, we're all out on the Attitude skis, and we're celebrating our 40th season with Fels skis, believe it or not. And we've got a group of skiers here together that are adventurous, they're entrepreneurial, and they're all on the Fels Attitude skis. Having been the first company to patent a ski that included a change in camber profile and side cut profile simultaneously, we've been able to utilize that patented shape in all of our skis throughout the years and advance the design of those skis for the various classes of skiing that we're looking at doing. Today we're in the design studio, the Fels design studio, and we're working on a new design. So the uniqueness behind the Fels ski is the shape. And back in 1985, we actually patented a shape, a new shape, completely different in the industry.
We can come up with a better tool, a better ski, then it would just accelerate and just be that much more enjoyable for us and everyone else on the hills.
There's a new game in town, and it's from the Ottawa Valley. This is the Fels high-performance downhill ski, designed and crafted by two brothers with an incurable addiction to the slopes. Driven by their passion for the sport, Chris the ski instructor and Dave the artist went to work in their parents' garage in Manotick. Their goal, build a better ski by reinventing its design.
This was the first ski, and this was the first press.
All these years later, our design has evolved to a point where it gives an edge to skiers of my generation and younger skiers wishing to up their game. What we've achieved with the Fels skis and the different designs that we've come up over the years is not just me, it's my family. It's the support I get. It's my brother's ability to visualize in 3 dimensions through his artistic capabilities. It's my daughter's engineering background and love of the sport. It's my wife's enjoyment in participating in this endeavor.
My name is Tia Fels. I'm Chris Fels' daughter. I've been skiing since I was 2, and he put me on skis pretty early. And I grew up with the passion that he had for performance every day with those skis. And I think looking back on that, that's really shaped my own career and my own satisfaction in life. Watching him strive to be the best on any given day. There's some great photographs from when I was 2 with the tape measure and wandering around with the dog and the new ski prototype, and those memories really stuck with me.
Perfect spring skiing, and we're skiing attitude skis because we got serious attitude, and we know that these skis gives us distinct advantages that nobody else has. I've been skiing for so many years that I'm a solid, strong skier, but I'm not 20 years old anymore. However, that ski, the unique characteristics that the ski does give me an advantage that is both visual and also I can feel it in my turns. I can carry more speed through the arc of the turn. I can carve more aggressively. I can just fly down the hill with better balance overall. And the whole idea has been to develop a line of skis that I can come to the hill in the morning and go, how do I feel like I'm going to ski today?
I'm Helmut Spiegel, longtime alpine ski racing coach, and I met Chris Fels a few years ago. And what drew me to Chris was the passion he showed for his ski design and for his manufacturing that matches completely my passion for ski racing and skiing in general. A few years later, he introduced me to a backcountry ski that I've been using since, and it helps me with my adventures in the backcountry.